gonna help, Natalie? Yeah? You gonna help me? Good girl. All right. Got my wetsuit on. Oh, ow, fuck. That hurt. That's nice. Got a fire extinguisher on the floor, not in the bracket. Seats are fucked. It's just, I don't know. Too much shit to mention. But, yeah. It's, take it to Ritchie Brothers. Get 60 grand and call it good. I don't know. A lot of shit in here for some reason, but I don't know. 499,000 on the miles. And yeah, that's kind of the, I don't know, short version of the, hi Natalie, you gonna help me? Yeah? Yeah? Good girl, huh? Anywho, that's the, I don't know what the hell that is. Mouse shed or mine? I don't know. There's some weird shit in here, but anyway, that's the scoop.